Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, well, this is the most pointless episode in the world. This is the time to turn off, find something else to watch. But if you want to see it, cue the intro.
So, Sidekick.
Yes, mate.
We've turned up at our secret location with really no plan or idea of what we're going to do on this video. That's probably the worst thing that we could possibly do. And there is a reason behind that, and we'll talk about it as we're riding. But we're literally now just going to head out. So this is probably going to end up being called the worst motorcycle video or the most unplanned motorcycle video in the world.
Probably the worst, but yeah.
Let's just go and have a giggle.
Yeah, let's go.
Oh, look at him doing that. Rocking off. You should have started your engine while you rocked off, and then it would have looked good.
Right, which way are we going?
Right, because left is a dead end. So,
Yes.
originally we had an absolutely awesome video idea. And it was going to be epic, but we're not going to tell anybody what it is, but let's just say it does involve your ambulance and the monkey bike.
I'm going to run over your monkey bike with the ambulance.
Don't tell everyone the idea. And then we're going to say for a future episode. And we were going to do that today.
Yeah.
But the reality of it is that you've pretty much lived inside your camper, preparing it and making it and building it for this upcoming adventure. We're only a few weeks away.
2 weeks away, yeah.
Well, don't tell everyone that either, because they'll all turn up. It's exclusive invite only. Then saying that, this comes out a lot later than what people think it does, so that will mess up their dates. So you've not ridden your bike for absolutely ages. You're about to go and make it into like something from like The Walking Dead / Mad Max coming up as well for this trip, and we've only, in reality, the time of filming this got next weekend for me to paint the camper my Monkey Cycle Mark II and for you to prepare your bike.
Yes.
Because obviously the Monkey Cycle needs nothing because it's the best motorcycle in the world.
Yeah, because you're an idiot and you're not preparing, that's why.
Anyway, so we're not doing that today. So you basically wanted to ride your Vespa because you've not ridden it in, what, months?
Literally months. I think the last time I went out on it was when we went and did that bit of filming with Mr. Dazza, our hero.
Wow, that is a while ago now.
I think that was the last time I used it, because it still had the 2 mouldy sausage rolls under the seat that he gave us when we came back from that trip.
So you forgot to eat the best sausage rolls in the world?
Yeah, and I looked under the seat earlier to get my waterproofs out, and there's 2 mouldy sausage rolls under there. So,
oh, that's a shame.
yeah, they weren't really edible anymore. Otherwise, they were even that, you know, they were growing out of the bag.
Well, did you have like sausage roll trees growing out?
I wish there were trees.
So, Mr. Dazza, our hero, the one that saved us both now, he's coming on this upcoming adventure because I miss him. So I'm looking forward to seeing him again, and hopefully I can have another man huggle. And
hopefully we can all have a man hug.
well, you get his like superpowers then, and you can fix and just rescue people for a whole 10 minutes after giving him a man hug.
Yeah.
So I'm looking forward to that. And there's a few of us going, but again, we're going to well, I tell you what, I'm going to drop one more name, and I don't normally drop names, but the guy that bought the helmet head Bonneville,
Yes.
he was supposed to come and reveal his bike on the subscribers adventure,
Yeah.
and obviously it broke down on the way, and he had to take a Fruxton, and it all went wrong, and my bike broke down during the trip, and we didn't actually meet, so there was no big reveal of the Bonneville or any of that stuff. So he's booked as well. So, as again, not name dropping at all here, but the Works channel with the Works Bonneville, the X, well, it's the Bonneville Scrambler, the X helmet head Bonneville is going to be there. So I'm looking forward to that, and hopefully I can nick it and head off across the dirt roads. So fingers crossed.
Yeah, that'd be good. It'd be nice to see it, won't it?
Yeah, properly get to hang out for the first ever time. Will be proper awesome.
Yeah.
So I'm looking forward to that. Anyway, back to today, because that's what's important.
Yes. Right.
we're heading this way. We don't really know where we're going, but we're going this way. And you get to ride your bike after a month or so of not being able to get to ride it.
Yeah, it's nice to be back in the saddle actually. It's fired up surprisingly well. I had to pump the tyres up. There's been a bolt missing out the exhaust for months since we went and did our subscriber meet. I lost one of the bolts out of the exhaust then, so I've actually managed to put that back in this morning as well. And yeah, now out and about.
Is that because you did a 10 out of 10 job and not an 11 out of 10 job?
Yeah, a 10 out of 10 job, obviously.
So yeah, out and about. And so it's feeling good. It's nice to see you back on the channel. You have been massively missed. I have been hugging trees to keep myself entertained.
Yeah, well, luckily now Lance is all up and running, and fingers crossed he stays that way. It's usable. I shall obviously continue doing things to it as we go along, but it is he's usable now. So the next step is next weekend to get this, like you said, this is going to be getting chopped about, getting some things done to it, and then we're on our next big adventure after that, and hopefully we'll be able to do quite a few more after this.
And then, do you know what? Probably everybody's wondering.
Yeah.
What happened to Rodney, your motorcycle, your adventure bike, your Aprilia, so we can go and do some big boy toy stuff?
Well, obviously I've been working on Lance, and then I've got this to do next week, so unfortunately the Aprilia is sat in the garage still, in bits, in exactly the same position I left it when I eventually brought Lance. So realistically, I'm not going to be starting it, doing anything to it until we get back from our next trip. But then after that, that is the next project that I'm going to be, looking away at, trying to get that done. So, hopefully sometime this year, it will make an appearance.
Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. I'm very 50-50 at the minute about changing Betty.
Changing Betty?
Yeah,
really?
I'm very 50-50. Well, Betty has been bought and picked for by the subscribers of the channel. It was up for the vote, and I do like Betty, but so far, because of all the things that's happened in the world, I've not managed to achieve some of the things that I want to achieve on Betty.
Yeah.
And a few different plans have changed, obviously, since then, because I obviously want the channel to go bigger, more crazy, and more nuts. So there might be a change. It's very 50-50. I've got to make a decision with exactly what I'm going to do. I might take Betty on an awesome adventure and go from there. I might out Betty for a different bike for a purpose. I'm not 100% sure yet, but also, as you know, we've got, hopefully, if countries open up within the next probably 3 to 6 months, I have a very big, huge plan about going off to a very remote country and doing some absolutely gnarly stuff.
Right.
So that might supersede even replacing Betty to be able to fund said adventure. But we'll see. We will see. Obviously, I don't want to make promises like lots of people do and not pull through with these promises. So I don't want to announce it yet. But it could be absolutely epic, and that's where I want the channel to go. So, like I said, I might be keeping her. I might do an adventure on her this year. I might be selling her to replace something else, or it might just have to go towards the funding of this unbelievable remote country trip. Yeah. Well, I tell you what, we are heading out this way now. There's a road that I'm not sure if we're allowed down it or not.
Right.
And it says with a big sign about no motorised vehicles from certain dates. I'm guessing that we are allowed down there at some point. So I reckon we should head there and see what's down there.
Right, yeah, okay, sounds like a plan. At least we've got somewhere we're heading for.
Well, I could just end up leading you to a field, to be honest, but we can't go down. So it could be a completely wasted journey, but hey up.
That's right, we can give it a go anyway.
Well, this is the most pointless ever motorcycle adventure in the world.
We're enjoying ourselves, so there's always a point if we're enjoying ourselves.
Yeah. However, well, we've just ridden past the road and you went, well, we can go down there. So yeah, we're just going down there.
It's been a while since I've driven down it, but I'm sure you still can.
It looks nice.
Yeah.
You know what this would be a perfect place for?
What's that?
The drone.
Yeah.
Should we send the drone up?
center of attention, they all want some. I'm like fire, hot as the sun. The dance floor is burning, call 911. Hands on my body, I'm loving the heat, but it won't come easy. Nothing's for free. If you want me, then prove it.
Well, that was nice.
That's a nice little forgotten about road up here.
Yeah, it's like, it's not off-road at all, is it? Oh, you want a gas barbecue?
Barbecue there, yeah.
Oh, mate, I'm hungry. Have you brought any sausages?
Not that we can barbecue.
Oh, it's a shame. That's a shame.
Yeah.
Tunnel. Ready for sound blasting? Oh, rubbish there.
Yeah.
This is a lovely place you've taken me to.
That's all right, isn't it?
Yeah, it's quite pretty, isn't it?
Nice to have somewhere different to go.
Yeah, we still don't really know where we're going. We're kind of heading, we think, towards the road that I think I know. But yeah. Yeah, man. I am getting hungry though. Have you brought some food?
Again, I've brought food for myself.
Yeah, so you're going to share it with me?
No, you need to bring your own food.
Yeah, but I've never made a sandwich. I'm a lord. I have people do that for me.
Yeah, well, didn't your missus do it?
No, she was busy. It's all right though.
Ironing your pants.
I'm sure you've made me a nice half a sandwich.
No, you're gonna have to go hungry this time.
Right, we're just coming up to this place that I don't know if we can actually do it or not do it. Just here on your left, Mr. Psychic.
Yeah.
This is it. Look, no cars. October to April inclusive. Yeah. Well, it's not. We're in between them. So
Right.
does that mean that we can go down here?
Well, let's have a look at the gate. Ooh. Gate's open.
That's lucky, isn't it? If the gate's open, mate, it means that we can come in here.
Let's just have as a sign there. So let's have a quick read of the sign.
Okay, you have a quick read of that sign. Make sure it says what we want it to say, yeah?
To members of the public using this byway, vehicles, if damage caused to the byway surface by vehicular use or abuse, it will be closed by the county council by order of blah 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 blah.
So it's a by road. We're all good.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Let's go and find a nice place we can sit down and eat your food.
Where I can eat my food. Let's go.
Go. This isn't being used very often.
Yeah, this is a good find.
Is this going to be a practice for our upcoming adventure?
I think a very light practice.
Like my off-roading tyres aren't on my bike. I mean, these all weather, all purpose, all everything.
I've got my all trains going on it. I've just had a fly helmet.
Is that a what?
Fly go helmet.
Oh, mate.
Oh, that's a big hole.
Oh, that is a big hole.
Oh.
Gonna.
I've got a fly crawling around.
I'm gonna go this way because I don't want to go in the bush. Do you need help? Or you could just take your helmet off. I'm going for it.
I could feel the fly crawling on me.
Wow, that's the field in front of us. So we need to get your map out, I reckon, and figure out where we're going.
I don't think my map covers where we are.
What?
You are? It's not a map of the world, Alan. It only covers certain areas.
Is this one of your dodgy buys again? Nice place to have something to eat, though. I'm hungry. While you figure that out, pass me a sandwich.
Why don't you have a ride at those logs?
That's a good idea.
Ride up to the top of there and have a look. See if you can see where we've got to go.
Yeah, I like that. That's a good idea. I'll climb up and I'll figure out where we've got to go, alright?
Yeah, go on then. Alright then, fill your smog.
Get down now.
Go on, please trip over.
Now the only thing is,
Yeah,
I'm hungry.
so am I.
So give me a sandwich.
Get your own sandwiches out.
I'm going here, I'm hungry.
Well, it's tough, isn't it? You should have come prepared.
I'm hungry.
Well, I'm going to sit here and eat my sandwich.
You're not going to share it?
No, I'm hungry.
Horrible.
Yeah.
Absolutely horrible.
Alright,
Yeah?
what are you doing?
Staring at you while you eat your sandwich, you feel really guilty.
I don't feel guilty.
I haven't eaten in like 2 hours. It's like I could pass out at any minute.
Can't take my eyes off, can't take my eyes off, can't take my eyes off, can't take my eyes off. You got devotion, dance in slow motion. My eyes can't help looking at you right now. So much emotion, just pick your poison. Is every move you make even allowed? Can't get enough. I try my best to look away, but I can't stop. Am I a freak to you?
Well, how rude is that? As always, but the reality of it is, this time, knowing how rude and horrible he can be, I've come prepared. See, I've brought a lunchbox worth of stuff.
Oh, you kept that quiet, didn't you?
Yeah, well, I was going to share,
So you weren't.
but I'm not sharing anymore.
You weren't going to share it at all.
Yes, I was.